Hello everybody, welcome back to Greek and Simple. I'm Theodora, I'm your Greek friend, and here in Greek and Simple we're making Greek recipes and not only. If you like Greek recipes, if you like Greek cuisine, easy recipes, difficult recipes, all sorts of recipes, you're gonna find them here in Greek and Simple. So subscribe to my channel, like the videos, and leave your comment down below. I'm gonna be so happy to reply to all of your comments. I'm sorry for the voice, I'm a little bit having a little cold. I hope it's gonna go away soon because it's summer and we need to enjoy our frozen treats. And this is our today's theme. Today's recipe is so yummy, so delicious, so summery, and not only, I sometimes make it during the winter. Or not, I'm not sure, maybe not. Today's recipe, it's so simple, so delicious, so iced, you're gonna love it and you're gonna make it the whole summer, I guarantee. It's delicious, you're gonna make it at home and everybody's gonna love it. It's also low on calories. It has only the calories from the strawberries and berries and the honey. That's all, that's it. And it's so healthy. Let's see how we're gonna do it. If you like frozen yogurt, make sure you're gonna watch this video up to the end because I'm gonna give you some tips of how to make this beautiful ice cream to frozen yogurt. So first thing, stop saying so. First thing I'm gonna do is to add all this beautiful mix, strawberries and berries, blueberries, in my mixer. You can add raspberries, you can add blackberries, any kind of fruits you like. Strawberries and berries is my favorite mix. Don't go anywhere. So because my mixer is small, I'm gonna do it in 2 portions. My berry mixture is ready and now I'm gonna pour it here inside this pretty bowl. I hope I'm not gonna, okay. And I'm gonna pour it here into this bowl. Wonderful, it smells so good, the strawberries and the berries, they have this beautiful smell. Now I'm gonna add my lemon. I'm gonna squeeze half a lemon here. Honey gonna add a beautiful texture and flavor to my ice cream. You can also use maple syrup, or you can use golden syrup, or you can use sugar syrup, simply made by sugar and water. And now I'm gonna mix all these very well. Everything is combined so well, and now I'm gonna pour my mixer to this beautiful tray that I had covered with plastic wrap. So it's gonna be easy to remove the ice cream after. Try to cover up to the edge so it will be easy to remove your ice cream after. And now I'm gonna take my beautiful ice cream to the freezer and I'm gonna let it stay overnight. And here we are, me and the ice cream. It's the following day after it spent the whole night in the freezer, and now I'm gonna show you how we're gonna serve it. Using the plastic wrap, it's easy to remove it, and here we have a clean, totally clean tray. So I put that on the side for now, and I'm gonna do the ice cream cut. So I'm gonna cut like this in smaller pieces, and I'm gonna put it here in my blender. Beautifully. Okay, I think that's enough, maybe a little bit more. This is something you need to do every time you want to serve, because it's gonna stay in the freezer the rest. So you're gonna have fresh ice cream every time you want. Perfect, and now I'm gonna start the process, and we're gonna do exactly the same what we did on the fruits. I'm gonna add a little bit of water here. It's like a couple of tablespoons. Perfect, it's nice and smooth now, and I'm ready to serve it in these beautiful glasses. And see how smoothly, oh my God, this is amazing. Oh yes, oh yes. I need to help it with my spoon. So I didn't want to make a mess out. I did some mess here. Little mess. Everything on schedule. And here they are in my beautiful glasses. I'm gonna serve with blueberries. And some freshly mint. And ta-da! Enjoy, guys. I hope you liked it, and I'm really glad I shared this recipe with you. I hope you're gonna make it at home. I hope you're gonna like it. I hope we're gonna post it on Instagram and hashtag greekandsimple. And of course, you have all these other beautiful things to do, like subscribe, like, leave your comments down below. Ask me which recipe would you like to see next. I can't wait to see your comments, and see you in the next video. Bye bye. Isn't it great? You have no idea. It's so yummy, so refreshing. I think I can finish it all right now. Guys, it's an amazing recipe. You should try, definitely. And if you like frozen yogurt, as I said, I'm gonna give you a tip of how to make this as a frozen yogurt. So how to do that? Just replace half quantity of the fruits with Greek yogurt. It's so simple. Use 2% fat or 5% fat. This is what I suggest, it's better. But if you want also 0% fat, you can use that too. But my preference is 2 or 5%. So enjoy, guys, your fruity ice cream or your frozen yogurt. It's up to you. Many kisses and see you in the next video. Cheers. Bye.